Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Oppo mobile setting, and today video title is guys password and biometric setting, how to use in Oppo mobile. Friends, you want to use Oppo mobile password and biometric settings. So friends, now let's see how to use. And today video title is guys how to remove face lock in Oppo mobile. Friends, you don't want to use Oppo mobile face lock, you want to remove face lock. Now let's see how to remove face lock in Oppo mobile. First of all guys, open your device, unlock your phone. You don't want to use face lock, so you can remove face lock in Oppo mobile. Open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Oppo mobile. Friends, in your Oppo mobile, scroll down here. Open your phone password and biometric setting. After turn on phone password and biometric setting, first of all you can use lock screen password. Second, you want to use privacy password, you can set privacy password. Third, you want to add fingerprint lock in Oppo mobile, so you can add fingerprint lock and you can unlock your Oppo mobile with fingerprint lock. So friends, we will click here phone face lock setting, tap on face lock setting, enter your password. After enter password, you want to use face 4 setting, so friends click here. You can use face 4 setting for app lock and private safe password setting, you can use it. And friends, if you click here screen unlock setting, so you cannot use face lock on your lock screen. You have face data but you cannot unlock your Oppo mobile with face lock. If you turn off this setting, so you cannot use face lock on your lock screen setting. So friends, you can see we cannot use face lock setting. So friends, click here, you can on, and now you can use your face lock setting. Friends, click here face lock setting, right click here the remove icon, and you want to delete, you want to remove face lock, click here right side and your face lock will remove. You can unlock your Oppo mobile without face lock. You have pattern lock, draw pattern, you have password, enter your password. You can unlock your Oppo mobile without face lock. Again, you want to use face lock, click here add face option, enter password. After enter password, continue option, show your face, add your face data. You can unlock your Oppo mobile with face lock again. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. If in doubt, you have any problem, so you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.